Jersey number 29. Ipinabog sa press. Wala. Troy Hernandez. Hernandez. Atake. Wala. Sarmiento. Sonda. Hernandez again to Tañas. Ipinabog sa press. Highlight. Blue team. Revealing time. 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 53-55 in favor of Yellow. Double green for Yellow. 10 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Itugo, umatakin. Wala. Ball. Maybe yung matanda na. 10 seconds shot up. 10 seconds to shoot. Situgo. 2 points. Hernandez. To Jason for 39. Situgo to Tañao. 3 points. Down. Jason number 29, Jason number 8, comes the pass. Hernandez, throws the press, wala. Situgo, wala. Rebound by Sarnia. Tetanggang. Sarnia. Turut. Sudah sebelas. Tegas. Shoot. Nine minutes and 12 seconds. Berharap agak terpasang step back wala rebound dari Tañas sumit tumira wala pa rin rebound dari Jezreel Tañas pass to Ronda 15 seconds shot up. Hernandez. Tira 2 points by substitution. Again. 8 minutes and 34 seconds. Score 53-67. And the second, there's number 16, 2 points. Shut up. 2 points. By Situgo. Jersey number 16. 15 second shot clock.